Hello and welcome to Code Pandit. In this video is in series of 75 days of DSA at LeetCode. In this video we are going to discuss each subsequence problem where the problem states that given two strings s and t, given s and t, we need to return true if s is subsequence of t. So what is subsequence? Let's say there is a word Ramayan and there is another word Ram. This one is subsequence of this string only if the character is in the complete string is in this text, or let's say I am having a word this one. So this is also the subsequence of this word Ramayan. So how we will get this? So we will compare if this pattern or this string exists in this text in the same pattern in which this is existing here, like the y should always come after a and n should always come after n in this text also. In that case this will be subsequence. If we check that yes, here is a and after that we got y and after that we get n, so this is in this case this is the subsequence. But let's take an example where the pattern to be found is AXC and the text is A, H, B, G, D, C. In this case, if we take this A exists, this C exists, but X does not exist. So in this case, this is not the subsequence. And let's say if it was either B or G, then this was the subsequence. But let's say if the string was A, C and B, though this character exist in this string, but they are not in the same order, that is A then B then C, but here A, C then B. So this is not the subsequence, but this is the subsequence. So let's start coding. How we will do this? So we need to have let's take another example A, B, C, D, and we are having one character, that is, let's take one more, E, A, C and D. So we will take two pointers each in each string. So here we will point J to this string and I to this string, and we will increment the value of the pointer each time we find a match, and if we do not find a match we will increment the pointer in pointing to this string only. So let's write the values here: 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will compare character at 0 index, then this first their values are initialized with 0, and if these characters this character matches with each other, then this value get updated by 1, and if this character the pointing to the index 1 did not match, then only the index of J will get updated, that is to 2, and again we will match, yes it is matching, then it is 2, then again this will also be incremented at the same time. So again we will match, no this is not matching, so again this will be incremented. If this is matching, yes this is matching, so this. So we got the value of the I string, the value of I pointer equal to 3. So if the value of I is equal to the value of pattern's size is same, that means that the subsequence is found, that is its size is also 3 and the value of I is also 3. This will happen only when this is the subsequence of this pattern, this string. So let's start coding part. So we will first initialize two pointers, I equal to J, I equal to 0 and J equal to 0. point, and this will point to this will point to the characters of each string. And now we will initialize and loop where I should always be less than s dot the length of the main the string which is to be compared or is to be said if it is subsequence or not, and j should always be less than the text length. So if si equal tj, then in that case we need to increment I plus plus, and j plus plus will j will be incremented in both cases even if it is matches or if it doesn't. So now if in this loop will check for the all characters, and it will and we now need to return true or false. So we will use the shortcut if I equal s dot length of the string which was to be searched. So now this will return true only when the character has been the complete subsequence has been found in the text. So it is accepted. Now submit. So yes, this got accepted. So thank you so much guys. I hope this tutorial helped you well. So happy coding, keep coding, peace.